Hi everybody, it's Jessica and I'm back with my new mannequin head. Today I'm showing you a big 5-strand ribbon braid that I ended up in a ponytail. Therefore, take a section of hair from the front on the top of the head and then I use the scarf, it's not a ribbon, over and add the other 2 strands. You're always going to go under, add in some hair, over the ribbon, under the ribbon, then under, add in some hair, over the ribbon and under the ribbon, under, add in some hair, go over and under the ribbon, and here you see right strand goes under, you are adding in some hair, hold it tight and over and under the ribbon. From the other side, exactly the same thing. Here again from the right hand side, and the traveling strand always goes in between of the 2 ribbons, or like I said before, here into the scarf. Then when you reach the point where you want the ponytail, you tie everything together with an elastic, and then I decided not to take only the thin elastic, I put another one over before then pancaking the braid. You pull the outer edges to make it wider on both sides, then I clipped the top part away and made a high ponytail right under the base from the top braid and joined these 2 together. This makes the braid, or the ponytail, sorry, wider. The rest of the ribbon of the scarf I used to hide my elastic, tying it under the ponytail together, and this is already our final result. A 5-strand scarf braid on the top into a ponytail. Hope you like the final result. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you back next week with 2 new videos. Thank you for watching.